Welcome back to Everbilt, guys, and today we are continuing on our bathroom remodel. Welcome back, guys, and I'm just another average Mike, and like I said, today we're going to continue with this build. We're going to get some spackle laid down, get some paint done, and maybe even throw some shelves in here in this video. I did pick up that box there, which is our barn door hardware. I still gotta get the doors, but the hardware was on Amazon. It's nice and easy, just a quick buy. So we have that, and we'll see how far we get in this video. I try to get as many updates as I can with videos, try to get them out as much as I can. Sometimes I don't get everything I'd like to get done in one video done, but I got a busy kids and busy life, and I don't get a ton of time to do projects, I guess, but we do get them done. So yeah, let's just get started. Let's get started with the, we're gonna do some taping in the corners and all the joints, and then some spackle. We are done. One coat. Can you believe it? One coat, and we are done spackling. That's not true. I showed you the one coat, or at least the taping and the first coat going on, but I off camera went two or three more times. You know, spackling, layering, spackling. You know, I'm not a professional, so it takes me some more time. Those professionals can just be done. But anyways, closet is done. All here is done. So now I have a huge mess to clean up, and then I guess we'll start painting. And I got some closet hardware. I'll probably put that up too. So yeah, let's clean up and get to paint. Alright guys, so now all of the closet is painted for the most part. I was having some problems getting it to dry, and I brought the fan in, but the higher sections took a little while. I probably still have to hit the corners again, but the lower half is all done because that dried with the fan. I also painted all the ceiling up here. You can see
and we just have to do the walls. But while we wait for this to dry completely, sorry, I'm gonna rub my face, dry completely, and so we can tape, I'm gonna go ahead and start putting these shelves in. So we have the shelving system here. It's supposed to be heavy duty. I want trying to get something a little better than, you know, your standard, you know, shelving that you know, you had the things in the back. You've seen it before. Same wiring, same wire shelving, but you know, it's probably a little bit cheaper, and they don't, you know, you have to mount them to the wall directly, or at least one method of doing it. Maybe there's another, but and then you have to find a way to mount them to the side or get one of the poles in the middle. These guys, this is from Everbilt. I think I got it from, I want to say I got it either Home Depot or Lowe's. I want to say it was Home Depot though. Basically you have this shaft bar here that we'll have to cut. We'll have to cut this to size 60 inches, it's a little bit bigger than that. And then these pieces hang on the back. They go down. You can do this multiple times depending on how high you need to go. But I thought for this, we shouldn't need to go any further than that. Obviously, they're not going to go all the way to the ground because you don't need a shelf on the ground. So, and we got a bunch of these triangle jams that'll clip in, and it'll be nice because then we can adjust the shelving when we need to or when we see fit. So, and of course, we have our shelves here. That they'll just sit on top of everything, and yeah, it should be pretty strong. So I do have my cutoff wheel here, so we're going to measure this stuff, the shelves and this back bar to size, and then we'll go mount it. So we have our line drawn for the straight line for the main bar to get attached to, and then I also marked off 16 inches of where the studs should be. Hopefully that's where they are, and then we'll anchor this sucker in, and then these guys will hang on that, which will give us a point to anchor this in as well. So let's see what it looks like when we're done. And now we have taped off our ceiling there so that we can paint the side walls. And I have the old paint from when we painted this room a while back, all ready to go. I also did pull out off camera. I pulled out the sink and patched up. Basically, they had another section here that was glued on, and it was also caulked on the back here. Obviously, when you take that stuff off,
you can almost guarantee, especially the glued on, you can almost guarantee that there's some damage to that drywall. So obviously we had some spots that there were some pry spots trying to get that off that got sunken in. Nothing a little spackle and some sanding can't fix. So this is all fixed up. We're gonna have to paint this. This was gonna have to get painted at least a little bit further down anyway, which is fine. I also had a spot up there from our kitchen remodel. On the other side is the kitchen. When I was dealing with the soffit up at the ceiling in the kitchen, kind of poked through. So now's the time to fix it. So let's go ahead. We'll pull this sink out completely, and then we'll go ahead and touch this up and obviously paint our wall here. My wife already has these shelves starting to fill up, so that's good. And yeah, so let's get to painting and see what it looks like when it's done. Alright guys, that is going to be it for today's video. We have everything painted. We have our new shelves set up. And the wife's already started putting stuff in. So, next video, little teaser here. We already have some stain ready to go on the doors that are going to be hanging up here. I have some pretty epic news about that, but you'll have to stay tuned for the next video for that. Next video, we'll be hanging up our doors and pretty much finishing that. I think next video will be completely done by the end of the series. But it's gonna be jam-packed with a bunch of cool things. So we have to do some trim, doors, and our paneling, and trim and all that stuff. So and install our new sink. So until then, please like, share, subscribe. If you want to get a post notification when that new video comes out, visit our merch store. It's teespring.com/stores/average Mike. And until then, I'll catch you guys next time. Later.